Welcome to the MailerLite Magic. My name is Ruthie Gray from ruthiegray.mom, and today we're talking about part 2 of creating landing pages. Let's get on it. If you go to the middle section where it says forms, you will see landing pages. Create landing page. Let's give it a name. No one will see it, so we're going to say ho hum. And that was just something that was off the top of my head. Doesn't mean anything. All right, so let's say we're going to send it to, I don't know, my blogger section. I have lots of different people that I send emails to, like email lists. That's what these are. So if I can ever get this to go down, all the way down to the bottom, then save and continue. Then you will choose a template. You have all kinds of templates to choose from. And so you could they have suggestions like webinar, coming soon, lead generation, book promote, free PDF. But the thing that I usually use the most is, frankly, it's this one right here. It's either the first or the second one. And so I just select. Very slow loading. Sorry, guys. And then, of course, it's about CrossFit and all that. What you do is you don't want to keep that, so you put your own image in there. Now, this is my image gallery. And I am just going to flip down here to where there's my little logo. Here it is. All right. There's the ruthiegray.mom. And then this I don't need. Workouts, gym, and contacts. So I'm just going to take those and take them out like that. All right. And then take out gym too. And then I'm going to save. So then this, you just click on. I think. Come on. Okay. Subscribe for your 6-month workout plan. I'm going to put get happy instead of bored. Sign up here. Again, off the top of my head. Then I do not, the fields I do want the name and the email. And then you go to settings, and this background is just terrible, and I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to go to my gallery, and let's just say I'm going to go to, you can upload anything you want, okay? So let's say I wanted to upload, let's see. I don't have any really great pictures right now to upload here. Let's say I wanted to upload this coffee picture. Okay, there's my coffee. Now you have to watch. Sometimes they're not the greatest, and you have to resize a little bit or whatever. But anyway, so I'm going to use that, and then it looks like these letters are just too white. So I'll go to settings and go to title. The title is white, duh. So let's not make it white. Let's make it blue or gray. Gray blue. Let's do blue because it's darker. Okay. Then we have the email and the name, and those are too light also. So we'll click on text, and we're going to put those in dark also. Maybe. Looks like it's not. Okay, maybe it's link then. Link? No. Label. There it is. Email name. Okay. Then I want to change the color of this button right here. And so, let's see. Do I come down? button. Oh, there's the button. And so we'll just make it blue too. Everything can be alike. Hover color, we do not want it to be red. We'll just make that blue also. And the border radius. Where is the border color? Why is that doing that? Title, link, text, button, label, input. Border radius. Well, I'm not really sure why that's still red. But anyway, I'm sure that if I fooled around with it long enough, I could figure it out. Sorry guys, we're not going to stick with that. So then you can let go. You can make these, like, you can make this whatever you want. Like, we do not want to keep those red letters. We want to stick with the blue. And then we're not going to say 7 days course. We're going to say 5-day email series or something like that. And then if you didn't want to keep these, you can just take all those out. And you could keep that divider line if you wanted. And then you could make it like, let's make it blue. Stick with our color code there. Then this, yeah, we don't need that guy either. So you can do whatever you want. You can make the background whatever color you want to. And go down here, get rid of that. Well, no, get rid of that. And then down here, you've got your Facebook and all that stuff. You can change all of these colors too, okay? So if this was what I was doing, I still am really not happy with that little red border. Why is it there? Let's see. Background, text, title, link, label, button, input. Sheesh. What's the problem here? No, we don't want to do that. Go back to white. Guys, why is it red there? I don't get it. Okay, I don't know. Well, if I ever find out, I'll just let y'all know. Okay, so there's that. And then say I wanted to put testimonials. I could do that down here. See? Testimonials right there. And then content, date, countdown, video, button, title, whatever you want to do. So let's say we're done, but we have to put in the success page, okay? Sometimes you'll want to do a download immediately, and if that's the case, then you can put your download in here in this success page. So you could say put it right here. You could put the link right here and enter URL, and then say open in the next window, and then there you would go. And of course you would change all these weird words. So once you're done, you click on that. And then you kind of name your meta keywords and all that stuff, you know, if you want to do all of that. And which I do a lot of times, do that. And then here is the subscribe URL. Let's go on down here and click save, just for sake of time. Again, really slow. There's our URL. So we'll go and copy and paste. Get happy instead of bored. Sign up here. Oh, and our little red outlines aren't there, so I don't know what it was up with that. Anyway, that is your tutorial on how to create a landing page. Ooh, ooh.